This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Evelyn Thomas. Beautiful home, in sought-after location, in the heart of Kempsville. Features an open floor plan with remodeled kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and 5-burner gas stove. The baths have been renovated to include tiled shower with dual range shower heads and master bath and dual vanity sinks. It also boasts a large primary suite with a generous walk-in closet. Newer roof, newer HVAC, smart HVAC be updated from your phone, newer windows, new deck, and new backyard fence. The lovely saltwater pool is perfect for family fun and entertaining and has been updated with new salt cell, new pump and sand filter. Also includes a detached pergola. Convenient to bases, entertaining, beaches, shopping, and medical facilities. Seller would like to close and rent back until March 31, 2022. This would, also, enable buyer to lock in today's low interest rates. Would also consider a delayed closing, instead. See this one today. For more information, review the details below or contact Evelyn Thomas at 757-650-2449.